हाँ, okay, Lakshmi, please do.
Yeah, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. So today my sharing is I wanted to tell you if we put an intentional intention for living, how universe will easily orchestrate and give into our life. So this is the sharing few days back. So I write the magical day every day after the count my blessings. Very rarely I will count on my hands, but maximum I do write. So this is few days experience. That day I have written, thank you universe for the super cleaning of my home with neat and tidy. So this I did and I totally forgot. What happened after some time when all my children has gone, I put the milk on the stove and it has overflowed and spilled. So I cleaned it very deeply where my maid's hand also doesn't go. So I left the areas where my maid can clean it. So and the next after that I was cleaning the some other floor and the cylinder person has come to deliver the cylinder. Oh, then it's a good idea and I have cleaned the area around the cylinder. So then I thought, oh my God, this is the one I have put in the magical day that I should clean my home with neat and tidy. So see how that God has given me a chances to clean the house. So this is one, and also that day my son is going to write an exam for his CPL, which is a very tough, and two parts are there, Viva and all. And he was telling from many days, Amma, this exam is very tough, two parts are there. So I also wrote the last point, thank you, universe, that my son Satvik has given the exam with a grade marks of some dash with ease and joy. And I totally forgot about that. And I didn't even message him how he did the exam or nothing. I messaged him. But after some time, he has given a message that Amma, I have done the exam very well. Both the parts went very well. So this is one. And also, I write, thank you, universe, to receive some amount of money today. And that day, I have received my students' fees of 2 months pending miraculously. So this I want to share that whatever intention we put for our life to go on, that really gets done with the universe blessings. So these are my sharings, ma'am. Thank
That's
you.
awesome, and I especially loved your cleaning wala. You had just written that today I want to make my home very clean and tidy, and
Yes, ma'am.
something or the other happened that you had to clean it.
Yes, ma'am. I forgot, and later I recollected. Oh, they have written and see
This is what
how
is-
the cylinder person he has come early morning, 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
He never ever comes that time.
Yeah, that is how it happens, no? Because universe orchestrates and delivers. So thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you,
Uh,
ma'am.
yes, Soumya, not able to hear you or anything. Okay, Sneha.
Ma'am, I would like Neha to share first. We both have the connected sharing.
Okay.
नेहा तू है
हाँ हाँ गुड
Uh,
मॉर्निंग मैम मैम it's a long time sharing that we both wanted to share.
uh-huh.
It's about our mom.
Hmm.
It was in the month of December that mama was detected with cancer,
Hmm.
and all of a sudden matlab mama's health is like she has never matlab BP or diabetes, any problem she was never having ever in her life. So it was quite difficult for all of the family members to deal with it. But ma'am, thank you to you that we learned to uh, tackle all this problem in such a beautiful way, ma'am. Thank you so much for that. Ma'am, the day we got to know that the symptoms are suggesting that something is not good, at that day night, ma'am, before sleeping, I just did some that please my intentions, my sorry,
Infinite intelligence. Yeah.
infinite intelligence, please guide me the best treatment for mama's robust health. Ma'am, all of a sudden, matlab I was, we live in Amravati, Mama lives in Amravati, and we were thinking that close by is Nagpur, so we'll go to Nagpur for her treatment. Then all of a sudden, I was about to sleep, and my husband came and he told me, instead of going to Nagpur, why you guys are not taking Mama to Mumbai only? That will be the best treatment where you will get it. Mom, it just touched. Wow, that's the best thing. Matlab, Mumbai is the best place, best doctors, best hospitals will get it. And we took her there, ma'am. And matlab, it was by chance that one of her relatives had the same issue, same problem, and she also got her treatment from Mumbai. So we knew the best doctor, best hospital, and we got the best treatment for her, ma'am. Ma'am, the whole journey there was such a miracle. My mama was really treated like a queen in hospital, ma'am. People used to come, they used to complain, see, we called you for such a long time, you're not coming, to nurses, hospitals, and ma'am, every time we got such a wonderful treatment from there. मैम फ्रॉम फर्स्ट 2 days इट वाज लाइक कि मुंह से मैम सिर्फ थैंक यू यूनिवर्स, लव यूनिवर्स, थैंक यू यूनिवर्स, लव यूनिवर्स, कुछ और निकल ही नहीं रहा था. वी वर टोटली ब्लैंक बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इट वाज अ बिग वन. एंड हाउ टू टैकल इट, मतलब बहुत डिफिकल्ट था मैम, किसी से बात भी नहीं की जा रही थी ठीक से. बट थैंक यू यूनिवर्स, लव यू यूनिवर्स. Then, ma'am, when Mama was on the stretcher and she was being taken for her OT, for her operation, you know, ma'am, the sentence, the question she asked me, नेहा मुझे वहाँ जो भी दिखता है मुझे उनके लिए थैंक यू बोलना है ना, जो भी डॉक्टर के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रहते हैं, डॉक्टर्स होते हैं. मैम माय थ्रोट वाज चोक कि मैं मम्मा को रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाई. एंड आई डिडंट वांटेड टू टेक, मतलब मम्मा को ऐसे रोते हुए इससे नहीं भेजना चाहती थी. समहाउ आई गैदर्ड माय स्ट्रेंथ फॉर अ सेकंड एंड हाँ मम्मी बिल्कुल जो आपको दिखता है ना मम्मी, उन हर चीज़ को थैंक यू बोलते जाना है. थैंक यू मैम फॉर चेंजिंग दैट अ बिग चेंज, not just in me, Sneha, but we are changed mama also. And the way ma'am whole treatment, each and every doctor, मतलब मैम डॉक्टर्स का कोई टाइमिंग फिक्स नहीं होता था दैट व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू कम टू मीट मम्मा. अर्ली डे मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठकर मैम सबसे पहले मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम करते थे. मैम जब भी मतलब यूजुअली होता था कि खाना खाने गए हैं, पीछे से डॉक्टर आ गए, ये हो गया. मैम नॉट अ सिंगल डे, twice doctor used to come, not a single time I have missed when doctor came to mama's room. Every time magnificent outcome, magical day, that today's day mama is getting the best treatment. मैम 2-3 days रियली थैंक यू यूनिवर्स, लव यूनिवर्स के अलावा मेरे मुंह से नहीं निकल रहा था. बट देन लेटर ऑन व्हेन ऑपरेशन एंड ऑल जस्ट वेंट नाइसली. 5 555 आई, स्नेहा भैया, माय brother's daughter, everyone started 555 for her robust health and wonderful operation and all. अब हो गया मैम, सब ऑपरेशन हो गया, अच्छे से हो गया. वी वर ब्लेस्ड दैट कैंसर वाज इन यूट्रस, सो द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज दैट कि यूट्रस को निकाल कर फेंक दिया एंड द कैंसर इज टोटली आउट ऑफ द बॉडी, नो टेंशन. एंड इट वाज वेरी फर्स्ट माइनर स्टेज. वी वर अगेन ब्लेस्ड फॉर दैट, यूनिवर्स ब्लेस्ड इट विद दैट. तो वो भी हो गया मैम. नाउ व्हाट, अब क्या अफर्मेशंस करनी है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. आई वाज अबाउट कि यार अब आज मुझे शायद प्रिया मैम को ट्रबल करना पड़ेगा. आज मैं प्रिया मैम को पूछती हूँ अब कि आगे के ट्रीटमेंट, आगे का हम अफर्मेशंस क्या करें, कैसे करें. दैट वेरी डे मैम, in this session you just said that affirmation, thank you universe for whosoever is not well. Thank you universe for mama's robust health with
Miraculous recovery.
no, ma'am. Just a second. I just got jumbled up. Thank you, universe, for mama's robust health, full of energy, excellent immunity, and total transformation of all of her bothering thoughts. This was the best affirmation I have to say, because the thing is ki now she has to recover. She needed her best immunity, and again best thing she needed कि उस mind, मम्मा के mind से ये सारे thoughts निकल जाना चाहिए that again life में कुछ हो सकता है, that she had some major disease and she's totally free and out of it. मतलब ma'am, it's not for the first time that whatever and whenever I want, it comes out from your mouth. मतलब every time I think, is she an angel? देवी सरस्वती है, ये कौन है, मैं नहीं जानती, मैं बस फॉलो करती हूँ मैम. And I have seen that miraculously changes in such a big, मतलब हर लाइफ में इतने सारे इश्यूज होते हैं मैम. माई हस्बैंड वर नॉट, मतलब बहुत अच्छा रिलेशंस नहीं थे. इट चेंज्ड मैम. हाउ इट चेंज्ड आई डोंट नो. देयर आर miraculous changes in my life, and with my life it changes, I can see in my whole family's life, ma'am.
One
Thank
is
you
the
so
mother of
much.
10,000. You are the mother of 10,000.
You are the one behind all these things, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Good.
God bless you, Sneha, Neha, both of you.
Ma'am, I have to add to it. Ma'am, I would start before that. In last last August, my mother-in-law was she got some fracture and she was told a complete bed rest. I used to write for her every day in the morning. Every day, and I did 555 for her, and I used to imagine 3 times. But 3 months हो गए, 4 months हो गए, there was no improvement in her health. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. I minimum 10 to 15 times I used to 10 to 15 मैजिक बैंड प्रैक्टिस भी करती थी. कहीं ना थोड़ा थोड़ा सा ऐसा विश्वास डगमगाया करता था. कभी कभी समझ नहीं आ रहा था. तबीयत अच्छी होना तो नहीं, बट थोड़ी थोड़ी कम ज्यादा होने लगी थी. तबीयत बिगड़ने लगी थी थोड़ी थोड़ी. वी वेंट टू इंडिया एंड देन उनका देखा कि ज्यादा हो गई है तबीयत. वी चेंज द डॉक्टर चेंज द ट्रीटमेंट, गॉट टू नो दैट शी वाज आल्सो हैविंग सम मैलिग्नेंसी इन हर. and it was fourth stage. It was there was lot, and ma'am, I have stopped my practices at that time. I took a very good dip, but luckily, whenever I take a dip, I have someone or other to pull me out. My husband, he used to be with her in the hospital, and subah 4-5 baje se he used to keep on thanking each and every body organs, and my mother-in-law used to repeat after him. Even whenever she was going under big machines or her treatments, I think she was not at all scared. It was very easily she was doing, and she was feeling so confident and positive about everything. बट मेरा थोड़ा सा ऐसा होता था कि क्यों ही हुआ, जब मैं कर रही थी, जब मैं इतने लोगों को दे रही थी, फिर ये क्यों हुआ? मैं फिर भी देन आई स्टिल स्टार्टेड माय प्रैक्टिसेस, आई केप्ट ऑन डूइंग देम. विद इन अ मंथ मॉम का ये सब हुआ, मैंने फिर से छोड़ दिया था. नेहा मुझे पुश ऑन करती थी, नहीं अभी ये डॉक्टर की अपॉइंटमेंट है, तू मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम कर, तू 555 कर, अपन ये करने वाले हैं, अपन वो. आई अगेन स्टार्टेड. धीरे धीरे विद इन 15-20 डेज मम्मी की रिकवरी होने लगी, पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स मिला. Done. Within a month, my mother-in-law, who was on 3 to 4 painkillers every 1 or 2 hours, itna pain tha unhe, she was off the painkillers. She has lost almost 20 kgs in 2 years. She has started gaining weight. She used to eat food like a medicine. She is loving her food. मैं जो भी लिखती थी ना उनके लिए, वो हर बात सच होती गई, अभी भी हो रही है. एंड द फन पार्ट इज, मैंने ये बात 3-4 दिन पहले रियलाइज की कि अरे मैंने जितना लिखा था वो सब कुछ सच हो गया है. एवरीथिंग, छोटी से छोटी चीज जो मैंने उनके लिए लिखी है, शी वॉज ऑन कंप्लीट बेड रेस्ट, नाउ शी इज वॉकिंग, सिटिंग, स्टैंडिंग ऑन हर ओन. देयर इज अ मिरेकुलस चेंज. मुझे इतना यकीन है, आई एम इन न्यू जर्सी, आई एम नॉट विथ हर, बट इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट आई एम विथ हर टू हील हर. मैं दूर से भी आई कैन राइट फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम हैड रिकवर्ड लाइक एनीथिंग. प्रिया मैम ने ये सेशंस में और आपने भी कई बार बोला है कि जब भी हम डिप लेते हैं, इट इज द टाइम तुम्हारी प्रैक्टिसेस को बढ़ाना चाहिए. I was lucky every time. कभी नेहा थी, कभी my husband was there to pull me out. And ma'am, these are miracles in my life, both of them. इतना यकीन हो गया मुझे कि मुझे जो भी चाहिए ना, बस उसे लिख दो. जो भी चाहिए उसे लिखो, वो सच होगा. इट मे टेक टाइम समटाइम्स, बट वो पक्का सच होगा. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच मैम. अगर हम हमारे पेरेंट्स को ठीक कर सकते हैं, दैट मीन्स it's a big thing, ma'am. Big thing. Thank you so much.
बहुत टचिंग एक्सपीरियंस और बहुत पावरफुल एक्सपीरियंस है. आप दोनों इतनी प्यारी प्यारी सी बहनें.
Yes.
एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड योर
From
फैमिली.
right.
पूरा खानदान ही ग्रेटिट्यूड में है, मुझे लग रहा है. हस्बैंड भी करते थे, मदर इन लॉ भी करती थी, और बहुत लकी हैं वो मदर इन लॉ जिनकी आप जैसी डॉटर इन लॉ है.
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू मैम कि आपने हमें, और मैम आपसे मुझे सभी, हम जैसे नेहा ने कहा ना, आपसे हमेशा आंसर मिल जाता है. कभी डाउट आता है ना, आपसे कितनी बार. और मैम प्रिया मैम को भी थैंक्स, शी हैज गाइडेड हर अस अ लॉट during this process. Yeah, thank you so much for both of you. Thank you for changing our lives.
प्रिया, both of us. Thank you so much. यही तो हमारा मोटो है जिंदगी का.
Yes ma'am.
Thank you, and wish you all a very good, robust health to the entire Khandan, to everybody, and very well challenged and won. So I'm so
Thank
proud
you ma'am.
of you. Thank
Thank
you.
Yes ma'am, this experience has taught us a lot of to be more disciplined and dedicated to our practices.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have become more strong now.
Yeah. This is
मतलब
really
जब starting में detect हुआ, Sneha was quite deep, and the mother-in-law, both of her mothers were like that. So she used to cry, and I used to, पागल तू मम्मा के लिए negativity attract कर रही, you want mama to have more of this? दीप्ति मैम क्या बोलती है, you don't know? Please be positive. एक भी चीज नहीं सोचना है, एक भी चीज नहीं बोलना है. बहुत मैम, टू टैकल ऑल दिस थिंग्स ना, दिस ऑल द थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ. और आप इस चीज के लिए मैम, जो आपके टीचिंग्स है ना, हम लोग को बहुत चेंजेस लाए हैं मैम, एंड सच अ बिग चेंजेस. जबकि ऐसे इसमें द वे पीपल अदर्स वुड हैव रिएक्टेड इज रियली डिफरेंट, बट यू हैव बीन
लाइक बिल्कुल ही क्रश हो जाते हैं लोग ऐसी सिचुएशन में. एंड देन योर मदर आल्सो सेइंग थैंक यू, सबके लिए बोलना है. दैट इज एक्चुअली अमेजिंग.
मतलब दैट डे आई वाज चोक्ड मैम कि माय गुडनेस, माय मम्मा, शी मतलब वो उनसे मेडिसिन नहीं ली जाती है, शी इज ऑन द ऑपरेशन स्ट्रेचर, एंड शी इज टेलिंग दैट इन सबको थैंक्स बोलना है ना नेहा.
This
Thank
is
you.
really amazing. Congratulations, both of you. Sneha, you are on mute. नहीं हो रहा.
Ma'am, one more thing. Ma'am, one of my friends' mother is very serious, and she's in sort of coma from last 3-4 days. Please, ma'am, her name is Swati Sharma. I'm doing all my practices, all the things I can do. Please give her lots of blessings, ma'am.
Yeah. So God bless her with the best outcome for her and the
Thank you.
strength of the family.
Dipti, such such soul-stirring sharings, and especially your teachings. My God, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Coming from the books that we have read, to thanks to all the legends who have created such wonderful work, which is giving us the power to move ahead in life. और हमारे इतने मतलब powerful prayers हैं ये सारे to have robust health even after, like after all that Sneha and Neha have gone through. It is not an easy feat. But then I'm so glad that practices के tool को use करके, going ahead and reporting such an amazing victory. And we are going to put it, Priya, we should put this separately also.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, I'll do that,
We'll
ma'am. Yeah.
definitely do that. So
Yes.
yes, Archana.
Actually, ma'am, today I'm not the co-host, तो ये spotlights हटा
तो आप ही
दीजिए
को
अभी।
बनाया था।
मैं
Yeah.
हटा देती हूँ, मैं हटा देती हूँ।
I got disconnected, ma'am.
अच्छा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था, मैं दोबारा बना देती हूँ। Yes, Archana, please
Oh,
unmute. Yeah.
okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am.
Mhm.
I have a sharing.
Mhm.
My pain in my knee started around 2017 on my left knee, back of the knee, and it started to radiate towards the lateral calf and go towards my toes. And then it caused a lot of sleepless nights where the pain used to, the minute I placed my head on the pillow in the night, the pain used to aggravate like anything, and it used to never allow me to go to sleep. So I suffered like this for almost 2 full years without any sleep. And I have gone to so many doctors, name the doctor, physios. I've done about 5 MRIs, a couple of CT scans. Then I've taken Ayurvedic treatments, cupping, needling, and everything. So each time I used to go to a new doctor, a new ortho, or a new neurologist. They used to give me a new diagnosis each time. So it was really frustrating. And my husband, there were times where my husband used to sit and massage my calf muscles in the night so that I get sleep. Suddenly, even if there is no sleep before, in the middle of the night, the pain used to aggravate and it used to wake me up. So there were many, many months of complete sleepless nights. I've gone through nerve conduction studies. I've gone through different osteopaths and everyone, but still nobody was able to make out what the issue was, in spite of going through so much of pain and everything. Even in the middle of the night, if I have to use a washroom, and if my knee is slightly bent or if my knee is straight, I cannot bend or straighten the knee. So I have to crawl to the nearest wall or the furniture, hold the furniture, slowly stand up. Then when I used to have confidence to walk, then go walk, use the washroom and come back. So that was my situation from 2017 to 2023. Then from the left knee, it moved to the right knee in 2021. So the good thing was the leg used to take a break. So one time if my left knee is fine, the right knee will have a pain. If the right knee is fine, the left knee will take the load. So this went on till 2023. Then I was introduced to Deepti ma'am by my father-in-law, Mr. Sai Prasad Rao. And I met ma'am in Bangalore last June. And then I don't know, I went and spoke to her about it. And then I started following the Magic and Miracles group. And then I started thanking my niece. I wrote it first in my dream list. Then I started thanking my niece every single day. And I was not even able to walk even 100 meters, even in January. My leg used to swell up even if I used to walk 100 meters. So I put on weight. I was teaching yoga before this. I had to stop teaching yoga because my range of movement in the knee completely became zero. I couldn't bend my knee at all. There was a lot of excruciating pain. And after I met ma'am, I started attending sessions. I met her. She told me the practices that I need to do, which was the cause of the pain in my body. I started doing it. I started writing gratitude to my knee, started orally thanking my knees for taking the load and functioning very well. I can say in less than 1.5 months, the pain completely vanished. Completely. Now I can sit, I can squat, I can even walk 10 kilometers easily. I can run, which I was not even able to do. Thanks to you, ma'am. I feel I can stand on my legs again. Thank you so much.
This is a huge victory. When you used to crawl, you say that now you can walk and this. And we met again in Bangalore day before yesterday. And you looked so okay. She looks like a different person now. Archana ki आवाज ही बदल गई है. And Archana had come to see me with her father-in-law daughter, and husband who's diligently practicing also.
That was my dream. You asked him, where's your husband last time when we met? But this time I ensured that I told him, come what may, I want you to come and meet ma'am this time. And
Yeah.
he made sure that he came.
Not just that, Archana, I was bowled over by his practices that वो गाड़ी चलाते चलाते भी पहले he would listen to something else and now he listens to the sessions और
Yes,
आपके
ma'am.
घर में 3 devices on रहते हैं, one with your father-in-law, one with your husband and one you and your
Yeah, and the TV as well. Yeah.
and the TV as well. So I'm all over the place in
Yeah.
your house in the morning, 6 to 7, and see the transformation you've had. This is really amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks to Priya ma'am. And actually, the best thing I have done this year is joining MMBG. And I really look forward to the classes every single morning because that gives me so much of energy that I really can't explain. I really look forward to those classes. Thanks to Shalini ma'am and thanks to you for really, hand holding us in each and every session. Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless you with perfect health, abundance, prosperity, and
Thank
that
you,
your
ma'am.
daughter does really well in her exams.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And ma'am, even I want to share, this is Neeti.
Hi, Neeti. Neeti, your hand is not raised, so we'll have to keep you for tomorrow. We already
Okay, that's okay.
hand
That's
raised. I would
absolutely
love to
fine.
share from you, and I know that you have some wonderful victories to share, and I'm
Yeah,
looking forward to it.
thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Kanchan in abundance.
Ma'am, yesterday was my sister's Darshana's anniversary. She couldn't connect to
I
Zoom
have
also.
already wished her. Darshana, I'm wishing
Yeah,
you.
I'm there. Actually, there's some glitch in my Zoom.
Okay,
So
no, I
when
had
I
already
want,
wished Darshana. I didn't tell you that I had wished her. I had personally wished her. So wish
thank
Ma'am,
you
thank
so
you for
much.
reading.
I'm
Thank
very
you.
happy you
Thank
did
you.
And ma'am, thank you for reading our minds every time. How you come to know? I don't know how you come to know what is going on in
Can I
our head.
answer a question to you?
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you
yeah,
so much. That's the idea then. Thank you
yeah.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you.
Neet. So how was your exam?
Good morning,
The
everyone.
crybaby's become a laughing baby now.
Good morning, everyone. मैं 2 बार सेशन ज्वाइन कर चुकी हूँ मेरे एग्जाम होने से पहले सवेरे और दोनों बार और लास्ट टाइम तो मैं रो भी रही थी क्योंकि वो एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट था जिससे मेरी थोड़ी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं बैठती थी लाइक कैंसिल बट लाइक इतना अच्छा एग्जाम गया तो दीप्ति मैम ने मेरे को 2-3 प्रैक्टिस बोले थे करने एग्जाम से पहले और मैं गई और जो चैप्टर मेरे को आता था लाइक लिटरेचर एग्जाम होता है ना तो उसमें इतने सारे टेक्स्ट पढ़ने होते हैं और आता सिर्फ 2 ही क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली दे कांट आस्क सो मेनी चैप्टर्स राइट सो उसमें से ऐसे 2 चैप्टर आए जो मैंने पहले किए हुए थे जो मेरे को आता था और इतने डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर जिससे मैं एक्चुअली डर रही थी जिसकी वजह से मेरे को इतना एक्सटेंट में रोना पड़ रहा था वो आए ही नहीं सो आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दीप्ति मैम एंड फॉर प्रिया मैम ऑल्सो प्रिया मैम ने मेरे को ना एक वॉइस मैसेज भेजा हुआ है 5 मिनट जितना लंबा तो मैं आजकल स्कूल जाते समय वॉक करती हूँ अब मैं गाड़ी नहीं लेती हूँ तो मैं वॉक करती हूँ और मैं वॉक करते समय थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू बोलते बोलते और प्रिया मैम का वॉइस मैसेज लूप पे चलता रहता है और अनुराधा मैम को भी आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर keeping me on my foot and bringing a smile on my face before my exam.
Amazing. Congratulations. And I'm so glad your exam had to go well. I told you, you just have to instruct universe. It works on commands. Always remember what command you give. You give, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, मुझे याद नहीं हो रहा, I'm nervous, तो कहेगा, okay, so it is. I will do that for you. I will not let you remember anything.
Thank you
Even if
everyone for blessing me as well. Everyone on the session, whoever was present that day and is not present today and is watching on YouTube or whatever. Thank you so much.
Yeah, everybody had blessed you because everybody had sent you blessings. We didn't want to see our little baby cry. And because we love you so much, and we want you all to become some great individuals when you grow up and make a mark and shine like the brightest star.
Thank you. Also, I want to say that जब भी मैं रात को पढ़ती हूँ, like I usually don't try क्योंकि मम्मा बोलती है सवेरे उठ के पढ़ना चाहिए. But in case रात को पढ़ने लग गए, तो मैं आपका सेशन चला के बैठ जाती हूँ. At least मेरे को लगता नहीं है कि मैं अकेली हूँ. तो आपका सेशन भी चलते रहता है, वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड भी सुनता रहता है, मेरे कॉन्शियस माइंड भी पढ़ाई में ध्यान देता रहता है. So it's a nice process. I have fun now.
Whatever works for you, enjoy as long as you feel good about it. Thank you so much, and God bless you with the
Thank
best
you.
results.
Thank you, everyone.
On behalf of me, Priya and Anuradha, and everybody else who had showered blessings, because I knew instantly when you had mentioned everybody was blessing you for your excellent results in exam. So thank you so much. Yes, Jyoti.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन मैम थैंक यू सो मच मैजिक फॉर्मूला देने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच दिल से मैम यू हैव चेंज्ड आवर लाइफ सीरियसली एक शेयरिंग है कैन यू हियर मी
हाँ
ओके तो मैम क्या हुआ लास्ट फ्राइडे नॉट फ्राइडे थर्सडे को मेरा फोन ना सडनली गिर गया टेबल पे से एंड उसकी स्क्रीन एकदम खराब हो गई. स्क्रीन वॉज ऑल ब्लैंक. तो माई हस्बैंड, माई किड्स, दे वर स्टार्टिंग टेलिंग मी कि मम्मा आपका फोन खराब हो गया, अब आप क्या करोगे क्या करोगे. एंड माई हस्बैंड वॉज लाइक, मैं चलो लेने चलते हैं, क्योंकि कोई स्टैंड बाय फोन नहीं था. एंड विदाउट फोन दूर ट्रैवल करना होता है एंड ऑल, सो फोन इज नेसेसरी फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. तो मैंने कहा कुछ नहीं हुआ मेरे फोन को. ही वॉज लाइक, नहीं नहीं चलो. मैंने कहा 9:45 हो रहे हैं, इट्स 9:45. बाय द टाइम हम पहुंचेंगे सुपर मॉल तक, आई मीन मॉल तक, तो तब तक क्लोज हो जाएंगी सारी शॉप्स. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल नाउ. सो ही वाज लाइक, कैसे करोगी, कल ऑफिस जाना है एंड ऑल. उन मैंने कहा अब कोई भी कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, जस्ट स्टॉप एवरीथिंग एंड जस्ट वेट फॉर 5-10 minutes. मैं इतना प्यार और इतना ग्रैटिट्यूड देती हूँ अपने फोन को कि वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकता है. मैम, यू वोंट बिलीव, आफ्टर 15 minutes जब मैं वापस से रूम में आई, मैं अपना फोन लेके बाहर चली गई, वॉक कर रही थी. मैंने कहा मेरा फोन ठीक हो जाएगा, एवरीथिंग वुड बी फाइन. ही वाज लाइक, ठीक है देखते हैं. तो मैं वापस आई, मैंने फोन अपना चला के दिखाया, इट वाज वर्किंग फॉर मी. तो जैसे ही ऑन हुआ, मैंने कहा कि अरे ये कैसे हो गया तुम्हारी, तो फोन गिर गया था, गिरने के बाद तो स्क्रीन खराब हो जाती, क्योंकि पूरे उसमें ना कलर स्ट्रोक्स दिख रहे थे. तो मैंने कहा, मैंने कह रहे ये तो मैजिक ही है. मैंने कहा हाँ ये मैजिक है, क्योंकि मैं अपने फोन को इतना ब्लेस करती हूँ मैम, बहुत ब्लेस करती हूँ मैं. तो देन ही वाज लाइक, नहीं तुम्हें अब नया फोन लेना चाहिए. मैंने कहा ठीक है. तो आईफोन आया है नया वाला, लेट्स सी द लॉन्च डेट एंड एवरीथिंग, आई ऑर्डर. तो आई वाज लाइक, मैं अपने ब्रदर को कॉल किया, मैंने कहा तू बता आईफोन, क्योंकि ही इज बीन ओल्ड यूजर फॉर आईफोन. तो मैंने उसको कॉल किया, आई कॉल हिम अप, आई सेड राहुल तू बता कि आईफोन ले रही हूँ, कौन सा लूँ मैं. ही वाज लाइक, डोंट बाय एनी फोन, मेरे पास एक आईफोन रखा हुआ है, एक्स्ट्रा है वो, और मैंने हार्डली यूज किया है. आई विल सेंड इट टू यू फ्रॉम मुंबई, आई विल बी सेंडिंग इट टू यू. मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं. कह रहे नहीं नहीं, यू हैव टू टेक इट नाउ, यू हैव टू. तो मैम, सच अ
देखो,
मिराकुलस थिंग.
पैसे भी बचा लिए. मनी सेव्ड इज मनी अर्नड.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच.
Congratulations for using the practices and transforming your life. That gives a lot
यस
of.
मैम. मैम, मैं ऑलमोस्ट 9 प्रैक्टिसेस का मेरा एवरी डे का रूटीन है, एंड आई कैन सी द डिफरेंस इन माय लाइफ अराउंड मी. Everything has been transformed for me, and
Wonderful.
I'm enjoying my life to the fullest, ma'am, to the fullest. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your iPhone. Get used to using all the Apple products. They're really amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have got the Apple photo on my vision board.
Wow.
बोर्ड पे जो लोगो आता है ना, लोगो इसके ऊपर
Yeah.
अगर मतलब जब भी नया वो खरीदते हैं तो उस पे एक वो रहता है ना, दैट यू हैव टू पील ऑफ दैट. तो एप्पल की फोटो उसको लेके आई हैड पुट इट ऑन माय विजन बोर्ड. सो आई हैव ओनली एप्पल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड कॉन्स्टेंटली अट्रैक्टिंग इट. अपने आप से वो हो रहा है. दैट वे.
Good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Soumya, you wanted to share? Would you want to?
Ma'am, if it's getting too late, I can do it tomorrow also.
Anyhow, separating the experiences today from the main session. So.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And it goes without saying, my each day begins with you and ends with you. With every moment in between, also you. So anytime there is a thought going here
This
and
till
there.
the time the husband doesn't come to your life. And after that, you can't say this. हो जाएगा.
नहीं नहीं, उनसे भी पहले आप हो गए मैडम. Yeah, even if it's coming, he will be because of you only. So of course.
Okay.
So this is about health. So from quite some time now, I had told you in the other chakra healing class as well that I had a word with my grandfather about that because it was from him. So it was still persisting. So yesterday was too much. I woke up at 5 o'clock to hold my meditation class for my clients in the morning, and I couldn't sit. But still somehow I pushed the thought away, and I was like, I pushed through it. I completed my session with my clients, and I joined the morning class. And back of my head, I remembered Shali ma'am sharing about her kidney stones, like how she made them disappear in 2 days. And I had this inner feeling ki ye ulcer hai, like because it was a burning sensation. So, and my father had a history and my grandfather had a history. So, wo rehta hai back of the mind ki hai ye. So I knew very well ki ye ulcer hi hai. But I actually have talked to I'm kind of a doctor and everything, but I was not getting I mean, I know we have to take help of medicine wherever necessary, but ultimately, we know it's all in our head. And physical se zyada I'm now focusing more on mentally, kya rectify karni hai, because it doesn't happen again. Physically, it solves once and then it will come back again. But when you address it mentally, it's all taken care. So, during the session, I just leaned back and I was sitting and I was like, मैंने मन बना लिया. मैंने बोला बहुत दिन हो गए, बहुत महीने हो गए with this. It has to go now. I gave, and at the same time, subconscious mind was going, and subconscious Joseph Murphy, sir, thank you so much. उन्होंने बोला है कि you have to impress on your mind, subconscious mind. So I told my subconscious mind कि भाई अभी I'm going to go to sleep, and you're going to heal me. You're going to heal me in such a way it's going to reduce. I'm not expecting to transform in a night in a 2-hour sleep, but I want the pain to reduce. So I slept thinking my pain is reducing and reducing. Okay, I did that affirmation continuously till I drifted off to sleep. I went to sleep and I woke up by 8:30, and when I woke up, the pain had actually reduced to a point where I couldn't sit, to now I could move around and everything that happened. And throughout the day, I was saying the same, the pain is reducing throughout the day. And today, when I woke up, it's gone. And I'm doing this sharing to impress my subconscious mind with this knowledge that whatever I put in the subconscious mind happens for me. कहीं ना कहीं, कभी ना कभी हमको doubt आ जाती है because of a conscious mind interfering. So I pushed myself to do this sharing, overcoming my fear that it will repeat. I want to tell my subconscious mind कि नहीं भाई यही है. And to all those people out there thinking कि you don't have control over your pain, you absolutely have control over your pain. And thank you so much, ma'am. आपके वजह से I've met lot of people in my life वो बहुत सारी tools, techniques you help दिए हैं जो I've used in conjugation with impressing my subconscious mind. But वो belief होना उन चीजों पे has come because you repeatedly for over a year now have said it to me for 1 hour straight back to back कि everything is in your mind, everything is in your mind. And मेरे clients को भी जब मैं वो कुछ problem बोलते हैं and I go silent and they immediately say, now you're going to say everything is in my mind, right? And I start laughing. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for changing me inside out, and I owe every breath to you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
That's a tall order, huh? Thank
Yes.
you so much, and God bless you from every part of my being that your life flourishes and thrives, and you become the healthiest.
Thank you.
And you already are actually. Thank you
अभी
so much for sharing.
giving the courage for facing the challenges, ma'am. अभी ये नहीं लगता है कि I don't want this challenge in my life. Whatever challenge comes, first thing comes like everything is always working out for me. और कोई thought नहीं आता है. 1-2 सेकंड के लिए डिप हो जाते हैं like अरे यार ये क्या हुआ, and then suddenly everything is always working out for me. And there's a hope, there's a glitter of sunshine at the end, and I'm like waiting कि क्या होने वाला है इसके end result में क्या होने वाला. I had not thought कि I'll be doing this sharing. I was just at that time कि I want to heal and tell. And if even one person is gonna try this, I'll be the happiest person, and my body will thank you for that. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for making us channels too. Thank you so much. Love you, love you, love you so much. I can't express.
Thank you. No, you're very expressive and you could express. You've become very expressive. So thank you for that. This is also a shift from when I had met you to now, that you've become very expressive.
Because I meet you twice during the day, right? That's why.
Yeah. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you so much. And today we've had all health experiences, which is so amazing, right? We've had Sneha's and Neha's experience. Then, of course, we have Archana's. Then we had Soumya's. So Jyoti's, of course, was phone and money. So pretty much that means that you can transform all areas of your life. This is so cool. I'm so happy. The day has started so happy today. So I'm also going out for a good workout in the sunshine today. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you.
Thank you, Dee.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Love
ma'am.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.